Treat your kid to their very first smartwatch with the Active Pro Little Einstein Talking Time Teacher. Not only will they feel like the next spy kid with a sweet piece of tech on their wrist, but this beauty is able to teach them how to read the time, both analog and digital, as well as stir their curiosity through many features that are packed into this watch. Let's dive in and go through some of the awesome features, which include a talking time teacher, a selfie camera, and of course some games and much more. To turn the watch on, first make sure it's charged up with the included charging cable, then press and hold the power button until the screen turns on. If you want to quickly change the background, simply press and hold on the lock screen. There's a good dozen in here, so you're bound to find the one that suits you. To open the main menu, simply swipe up and you're greeted with this screen. There's a total of 11 apps, so to see those, simply swipe across. The time teaching app is on the third screen and uses the cute little kangaroo as its mascot. Down the bottom there is a central button to switch between the minute and hour hand, and plus and minus buttons to change the time. It's really easy. Once the time has been changed, the voice will sound out the time displayed.
29 minutes to 9. 23 minutes to 12.
This is great for young ones to learn the time, and they can play around with it until they get the hang of it. To exit any app, just swipe from the left all the way across. There's plenty more apps that will allow your kid to discover and learn things like the months of the year with the calendar app, or using the stopwatch to time any backyard sports action, or maybe you could use the timer app to make sure you don't burn the cookies in the oven. There's a step counter available here, and if you haven't noticed by now, there is a camera mounted on the top of the screen for you to take awesome selfies with your friends through the camera app. There's also a video function for all the potential film directors out there, and you can save those videos by using the cable to transfer them onto a computer for some post-production magic. Other apps include a calculator, a flashlight, an alarm function, and a voice recorder. Now I've saved the best app till last. The Games app. There are plenty of fun and educational games, including Ninja Training, Tetris, Stick Hero, 2048, and more. These watches are great for primary school kids, and I guarantee they'll have a lot of fun wearing one of these every day. Not only are they awesome little gadgets, but they're also really useful for teaching them the time. This watch is also available in a lovely shade of pink. If you're looking for a birthday or back to school gift, this is perfect. These are available online at a great price at watchdepot.com.au.